Hey everybody, Rex again here with TorchPrep. I'm back at it with more math questions in the red book. Right now, I'm on test 3, problem number 7. So what I need you to do is go ahead and pause this video, open up the red book to test 3, number 7. Read that question. When you're ready, press play on the video. Okay, another word problem strategy. You guys, we have a lot of these coming up on the test. Our strategy is going to have a lot of help for these word problems. Let's look through and see what we got here, okay? We are asked how many tickets need to be sold to reach the goal. Now, the information's pretty straightforward, and the goal of what we're trying to find for step 1 is laid out there pretty simply. So if you feel comfortable with word problems, with our word problem strategy, this is something I would attack in the survey portion. Absolutely approach it immediately. So, specifically, we have what is the minimum tickets sold at the door to reach their goal. Now, let's look at the information we already know. That's step 2 of the word problem strategy. We know that the tickets cost $6 in advance and $8 at the door. The goal is to get $2,000 from the event. And they've already made $142 in advance. So I think the easiest way to do this is to set it up as an algebraic equation. That might sound a little intense. I promise you, you can do it. Basically, think of it this way. What will we have to do to get $2,000? Well, if 2,000 is on one side of our algebraic equation, we know that it's going to be the number 8 times something that we don't know yet. We don't know how many at-the-door tickets they need to sell, right? That's our variable. It's what we don't know yet. But also, we have another variable in here, don't we? Because they can make money from tickets. I'll make y the number of tickets sold in advance, and x the number of tickets sold at the door. But here's the good thing. We don't have to work with 2 variables because they tell us how many tickets were sold in advance. So I can get rid of y and make it 142 times 6. Now, if I solve for x, that will tell me the exact number I need to minimum reach my goal. Let's do that now. First thing I want to do if I'm solving for x, I'm going to multiply 6 times 142. What that gives me is 852 plus 8x equals 2,000. Awesome. Now I'm going to subtract 852 from both sides. If I do that, let me take a look at my notes here. Yeah, I end up with 8x. I might slap this in the calculator if I was you. 2,000 minus 852. You're going to end up with 1148. 1,148. Almost there. Let's divide both sides by 8. If we do that, obviously over here, these 2 8s will cancel out, and I have x all by itself. In your calculator, you do 1,148 divided by 8, and you will find you get an answer of 143.5. Interesting. So if you look at your answer choices, you're not going to find 143.5. But think about what we're trying to find. What is the minimum number of tickets sold to get to their goal? To get to their goal. Are they going to sell a half ticket? No, they sell whole tickets. So if they only sold 143, they would be a little bit off the mark, wouldn't they? So how many will they have to sell? Instead of 143, we're going to round up to 144 tickets. And they will reach their goal and a little bit more. And you will find that 144 is the correct answer of letter answer B. Great job.